So if the internet is right, this little orange bag can clean your kitchen, wash your clothes, deodorize your refrigerator, unclog your drains, whiten your teeth, and remove just about every stain imaginable, and even tame your teen's attitude. Okay, yeah, no, that would be great. But if you spend any time on the internet, you'd think baking soda is the answer to every cleaning problem. So today we're going to find out. Is baking soda really that amazing, or are we giving it way too much credit? So, welcome to the Hardly Homestead, and I hope you'll like and subscribe, but if this isn't your jam, that's okay. But you might consider sticking around because you never know what I'm going to be talking about next. It's something different all the time. We're not polished or perfectly curated here, but we're usually going to ask a really good question and learn together about whatever it is. Hi, I'm Kara with the Hardly Homestead. Before we jump in, I'm here to tell you what you're going to notice about this particular series. I'm not here to hand you a bunch of recipes you can find off the internet or Pinterest or TikTok or wherever you're looking up. I'm here to ask questions. I'm trying to understand why they work or why they don't. Because every ingredient needs a job and every recipe needs a purpose. It's that simple. If we understand what each ingredient does, we can stop guessing, wasting time and money, and start making cleaners that actually make sense. So today we're answering one question. What is baking soda? And why is it almost in every DIY recipe? So what is baking soda? First things first. Baking soda is simply a sodium bicarbonate. And if I could give it one word, it'd be mild. It's a mild deodorizer, a mild abrasive, but I didn't say it was a miracle. Because this is where I think the internet gets it wrong. Baking soda isn't the best cleaner for everything. It's simply really good at doing some specific jobs. And once you know exactly where to use it, then it makes its value on the shelf. But before we talk about uses, here's another question I ask every time I read a homemade cleaning recipe. What job is baking soda doing here? Is it to scrub, deodorize, soften water, cut grease? Or did somebody just add it because it was in every other internet recipe or their grandma told them to? That's the difference between copying a recipe and understanding them. So let's give baking soda a job description. I always have a follower. Number 1, deodorizing. Number 2, gentle scrubbing. Mix baking soda with just enough water to make a paste. That's it. No secret ingredients, no complicated recipe. Now you've got a gentle scrubbing paste that's great for porcelain sinks, stainless steel sinks, coffee mugs, tea stains, the soap scum in bathtubs. But one more thing that's important to understand. Baking soda isn't usually dissolving those stains, it's gently scrubbing them away. Sometimes the simplest explanation is the right one. Yes, I am cleaning in my pajamas. There you have it. Number 3, coffee and tea stains. Fun fact, I don't drink coffee. I will drink tea, but not typically. But this one still amazes me. Take a coffee mug, a little baking soda paste, scrub it, and it will look almost brand new. This is a place where baking soda really earns its place. Let's talk a little bit about where I think the internet and TikTok or YouTube or wherever you're getting your information is may get a little carried away. Laundry detergent. Can it work in that recipe? Absolutely, especially with odors. But if I'm making laundry detergent, washing soda, and sodium percarbonate are really doing the heavy lifting. Baking soda may be like a helpful assistant, but it's really not the star of the show, and it's really just an accessory. It's not needed with those other two. Okay, so heavy grease. Could baking soda help? Well, yes, it can. But would I grab Sal Suds first? Every time. It's a different problem different tool. If you don't have salsa, okay, that would work. What about hard water deposits, that little crusty stuff around the faucet? Mineral rings in the toilet? Build up inside of coffee makers and electric kettles. Does anyone use an electric kettle? I don't, personally. What about washing soda? This confuses people all the time. I know it's confused me for a long time. They look similar, they sound similar, and they're related, but they're definitely not interchangeable. Think of baking soda as the gentle sibling. Washing soda is the one that goes to the gym. Baking soda is great for deodorizing and gentle scrubbing. Washing soda is much stronger. It softens water better, cuts grease better, and cleans much more aggressively. Look at my previous video on the difference of washing soda and baking soda. I would link it here, but keep in mind, I am over 50 and I just started this YouTube gig, so that will have to happen at a later time when I actually know how to link it. I will have a series on how to start your own channel over 50 at another time once I figure it out. So you'll have to keep watching for that one. Yes, we'll see. The big takeaway. I don't think baking soda is a miracle ingredient, but I also don't think it's overrated. I think it's just misunderstood. Because once you stop expecting it to do everything, well, it's one of the most useful and affordable ingredients you can keep in your home. Thanks for stopping by the Hardly Homestead. I hope you'll like and subscribe and hang around for more videos in this series.